Hey, it's Tom
And Mike.
from Take Time to Travel. Today, we're going to take you on a Cartagena apartment tour that has beautiful water and city views and is located in this modern building here in Bocagrande. Then we're going to show you around the neighborhood a little bit and take you to a couple of the nearby restaurants that we tried in Bocagrande. Let's head into the Infinitum building and show you our apartment. Come on in. I'm going to show you around our apartment that we're going to be staying at for a couple nights in Cartagena. Mike, I'll let you just close that door behind you. And as soon as you step into the entryway, there's a couple of doors right across, and this goes into the laundry room. I'll let you go in there, Mike. And it's a pretty good sized room. It's got the washing machine and a small laundry sink next to it, and there's a drying rack up above. And then just right next to that on the same side is a two-piece powder room. It's got a pretty nice decorative mirror above a vessel sink and black granite countertops and the toilet next to it. And then right across the hall is the kitchen. It's got black granite countertops again and black granite backsplash all the way around. And it's got 4-burner gas stove and the oven down below, and range hood up above. And then there's a couple of coffee makers. The sink's over here in the corner. And I've been snooping around through the cupboards, and there's all the glasses and dishes and everything that you might need while you're staying here. And right next to it, there is a double-door Samsung fridge with a bottom mount freezer. And over on this side, the counter extends out to a nice little breakfast bar, and there's a stool on either side. And I know I'll be having my coffee there in the morning. And then across from that is a counter that can be used as a workstation. It's got a nice chair next to it, and there's even a big painting up above it and a couple of plants. And then further around, there's a console table, quite nice, and plants all around with flowers, and air conditioning unit up above. And in the living room, there's a 3-seater sofa. We've got a coffee table and a rocking chair, and then across from that, more plants, and the wall is all covered in mirrors. Makes it seem bigger. And then we've got a huge glass sliding door here that opens up out onto this beautiful balcony. It's got a round table and 4 wicker chairs. It's even got a palm tree in behind it. And Mike, I'll let you go out to the railing there. See this beautiful view. Over on the left is the beaches of Bocagrande, and then behind the towers is the old walled city of Cartagena, and then coming around is the bay, and it's got the port. Those white buildings across the water are the Bocagrande Neighbourhood, and then up behind that there's a big hill, and you can see the convent of Santa Cruz de la Popa up there. And further around here on the balcony, we've got a couple of nice big wicker easy chairs. I know we'll be spending some time on there shortly. And then in behind, another one of those sets of big glass sliding doors. And that goes into the bedroom, and we'll head around here now. You can see the floor is all these huge porcelain tiles. They're like 2 feet by 2 feet. And it's really beautiful. They go all the way through the apartment. And then once we step into the bedroom, it's got a nice queen-size bed with a ton of pillows up on the head of the bed. That same fabulous view that we just saw. And then the TV is on the wall across from it with the air conditioning unit up above. And then back around this way, there is a big walk-in closet here, or I guess it might be a walk-through closet. We've got our luggage stashed away on either side, and I don't think we'll be unpacking our stuff really because we're only here for a couple of nights. And then Mike, if you want to go in there, the bathroom, it has a mirror with a vessel sink down below, black granite countertop and the vanity again, and the toilet, and then a glassed-in shower stall, and a pretty good size rainforest shower head up above. So this is where we're going to be staying for a couple of nights, and shortly we're going to go out and check out some of the neighborhood.
But before we do that, we'll show you the building's amenities, which include a gym, as well as a fairly large outdoor pool area that has a lovely sun deck with loungers surrounding it.
Now, let's show you around the neighborhood, starting with Bocagrande Beach, which is only a 5-minute walk away. Nearby, there's also lots of stores and souvenir shops, as well as many tasty restaurants like Arepas Pues, which seems to be quite popular with the locals. Let's go and show you what it's like.
We made our way through to the other side of the restaurant and out to their beautifully lit terrace with vines covering the back wall and a couple of mature trees that are covered with funny Spanish signs and some animal carvings. There must be 100 signs back here. After we sat down at our table, we ordered a couple of Aguila beers to begin our meal, followed by the salchipapas especial with french fries, sausage, lettuce, matchstick chips, sweet corn, costeño cheese, and chicken, as well as a couple of arepas. Tom got the mixta arepa with meat, chorizo, chicken, and cheese, and I chose the pollo y maize arepa with chicken and corn. We really enjoyed our meal here, but our favorites were the chicken and corn arepa and the salchipapas, which were both very tasty.
After that, we'll head just down the street to another nearby eatery called Restaurante Nami, which serves Asian Caribbean fusion cuisine. They have lots of neon-type lighting, as well as a nice little patio out front. And if you make your way through this hallway to the inside of the restaurant, there's some booth seating on one side and a main dining area with greenery overhead.
We chose to sit out front on their patio and started with a couple of Club Colombia beers to drink. Then we shared the Tiger Especial roll with fresh salmon, cani cama, shrimp, and cream cheese, topped with taco cani, salad, and teriyaki sauce, as well as the Palenque roll with shrimp tempura, crunchy fish, avocado, creamy pepper, and coconut sauce, a cevichita mayo, masago, sesame seeds, and sweet plantain crumble. The Tiger Especial roll was our favorite and tasted great. The Palenque roll was just alright.
After that, Mike got the katsudon with fried pork tonkatsu, egg omelet, onions, rice, and teriyaki sauce. And I got the chicken pad thai with tamarind, soy, toasted peanuts, rice noodles, and tamago. The katsudon was decent, but the chicken pad thai was pretty bland. Our meal at Nami was alright, but we're not sure why it's rated as the #1 sushi restaurant in Cartagena on TripAdvisor.
Well, we hope you enjoyed our Cartagena apartment tour. If you did, please like and subscribe, and make sure to check out our other luxurious apartment tour in Cartagena's Bocagrande neighborhood, as well as our private day trip to the Rosario Islands video. And remember, take time to travel. Catch you on the next one.